How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on your Lenovo laptop, or you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, or you don't see it in the taskbar here. So first you want to right click on the start button and open up the device manager. And from here you want to expand the network adapters and look for your Wi-Fi network adapter. It's usually named Intel R. Next to it there is a Wi-Fi. Right click on it and then click on disable device like this, and then click on yes. Now once it's disabled, you want to re-enable it again by right clicking on it and click enable device. Once it's enabled, you want to click on the update driver and search automatically for driver, and this will basically auto download any available drivers. Now you can also check the Windows Update version if you can't find any available drivers online. And that should bring up the Windows Updates window. Click on View Optional Updates. And from here, you want to expand the driver's updates and check the box next to any driver related to your Wi-Fi network adapter. And then click on Download and Install. And just wait for this to finish installing, and then it should prompt you to restart your system. Now, once you do that, it should fix your Wi-Fi problem, and it should bring it up here. And if you still cannot see it right here, here's what you can do. First, you want to open up the start menu and search for network reset, and then click on the first result, and then click on reset now. This will basically reset your network adapter and restart your PC, or ask you to restart your PC. And once you restart your computer, check if that brings back the Wi-Fi and it's working as usual again. And otherwise, if it's not, here is the last solution that you can do. So first you want to open up the start menu and search for Troubleshoot, and then click on Troubleshoot Settings, or Troubleshoot Other Problems if you find it here, which is this one. That should bring up this window right here. And then click on Internet Connections, and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And this should basically troubleshoot your internet connection, including your Wi-Fi, and basically detect any issues with it and suggest you the fix or the issue so that you know what's going on. And it will usually help you fix your problem. And once you do that, it should basically bring back your Wi-Fi and should function as usual again. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.